Here's what I found out in 1996. A group of geneticists wrote this book. An organization is called the American Association for the Advancement of Science. Different groups of people had different numbers of DNA series. Then they found further that not only are their DNA series different, but the number of DNAs in there are different in different groups. Whites have a different number of DNA, and blacks have a different number of DNA series. Apes have a different number of DNA series. Then they found this amazing thing, that the greater the number of DNA series, the smarter the person, the group is, the greater the probability of genius within that group. So they tested the orangutans, these 15 geneticists from around the world. These geneticists came from 9 different universities. Now here are the names of these 15 geneticists from around the world. University of Japan, University of China, Yale University is the headquarters of this organization. What it said is this. This is the mind-blowing part. It said that when they tested the orangutan, they found out he only had 3 DNA series. When they tested the gorilla, they found that the gorilla has 4 DNA series, because he's a little smarter than the orangutan. They tested the chimpanzee, which is an ape, and found that he had 5 DNA series. They went all into the different races of the world. They went into Europe and tested the DNA series of the English, the French, the German, the Spanish, the Russians, and found they had 6 DNA series. Then they put all of this, what they found from around the world, on a map. And this map really is called the intelligence map of the world, because they tested 116 different human groups and found their DNA series numbers. All of them, all over the world, have 6. Then they came to Africa. But when they came to Africa, found out that the African people have 9 DNA series. We have 9 DNA series. The greatest possibility of genius in our group. When we broke it down and interviewed Dr. Kidd, the head, he's the chairman at Yale University. We broke it down into plain, everyday English so that the world would know that the African American is descended from those people who gave to the world the Great Pyramid, gave to the world science, gave to the world mathematics. A black man named Amos gave algebra to the world. How can a people become champions in everything they touch? Because they have 9 DNA series, while the rest of the world has only 6.